Hey YouTube, I'm just getting around to planting some beets. Got some rainbow beet seeds, and we're gonna put them up in the grow room. I'm just gonna sow them in the soil a little bit. I'm not gonna go crazy. Never grew beets before, so this is a new one for me. You'll be trying right along with me. See what we can grow up in the grow.
I just hope when I get old, someone comes to visit me. Don't be ridiculous, Mom.
I think that ought to be good. I'm just gonna bury them all over. I don't want to go too close together here. This is my experiment. By the way, it's January here in Massachusetts. I'm growing this in my closet. And that'll be about it. Oh, I'm actually going to put just a little thin layer of sawdust on here. Some shavings. Try to keep the moisture in these little belts. I think they'll do good up in here like this. Okay, I'm going to add some water and I'll be back with another video showing you the progress when they sprout up. Thanks for watching.